Another quick, simple casserole. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making creamy, cheesy chicken spaghetti casserole. Stay tuned. I'm starting by sautéing the vegetables in butter. In my skillet on medium heat, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of butter, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 cup of onions, 1 cup of bell peppers, and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes, or just until the onions change color, and then I'm removing from the heat. I have a pound of spaghetti that I'm breaking in half and cooking for 7 minutes or just shy of being done. I'm breaking it because it'll be easier to eat. While the spaghetti is cooking, I'm mixing all my other ingredients. In a large bowl, I have 2 cans of cream and mushroom soup, and I'm adding in 1 cup of chicken broth, giving that a good whisk. Now all my sautéed vegetables, about 2 good tablespoons of chopped pimentos, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of oregano, giving that a good stir to incorporate. This is 8 ounces of cubed Velveeta cheese and 8 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. If you don't have the Velveeta, just use all sharp cheddar, giving another good stir. I have 3 cups of diced cooked rotisserie chicken. You can also use canned chicken in this recipe. Another good stir. My 7-minute timer just went off and the spaghetti is ready. Using a large strainer spoon to put the spaghetti directly into the mixture. Adding in another cup of chicken broth. You got it, another good stir. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In my greased 9x13 baking dish, I'm spooning in my chicken spaghetti mixture and leveling out. Covering with foil, and this is going into the oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from the oven, uncover, and sprinkle the top with a cup more of the grated cheddar cheese. It's always better with more cheese. Going back into the oven uncovered for an additional 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. The chicken spaghetti casserole is done and smelling good. Letting it rest for about 15 minutes because it is molten hot. This is such an easy casserole, and you can get most of the ingredients from your pantry. You can make this your own by adding the seasonings and vegetables that you like. I hope you give this chicken spaghetti casserole a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!